Beautiful babes, welcome back to Facial February, day 5, right here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. I am your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Y'all, I am trying to do everything I possibly can. My birthday is next month, okay? And your girl will be turning 62, and I personally, I don't mind aging at all. But you know one thing I want to do? I want to not look 62. So listen, today I have a fabulous detox facial mask for you. It is what I want to call a deep pore detox facial, baby. Woo! This mask is going to help pull out buildup and impurities without stripping mature skin. Let me just tell you about these benefits of this mask, beautiful babes, and you're going to be glad you found me. The benefits of this facial mask: it detoxes pores and removes buildup. It helps skin look smoother and clearer. It reduces the look of congestion, and one of the ingredients will help prevent over-drying, which is great for mature skin. Listen, let me just break it out for you. The ingredients, only 2. We're keeping it simple here on Beauty by Sweet Angel, and especially during the month of February for Facial February. We're using in this detox mask Bentonite clay. Bentonite clay will help to detox and clarify. And the second ingredient is aloe vera gel, one of our favorites. Aloe vera gel is here to help soothe and hydrate. This combo leaves your pores feeling clean while keeping your skin soft, calm, and comfortable. Hey, let's mix it up. Again, the ingredients. We're taking 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay. All of the items that I will be using today will be listed in the description box for you. And yes, I do use affiliate links, babes. 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay. And then to keep it simple, we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. Now mix it well. Now, if it's a little bit thick for you, you can add a little water. It's only needed for mixing if you want it a certain consistency. Now, let's go ahead and put this on our face. Yes, we are demonstrating, we are showing you how to do this, okay? After you've mixed it into a smooth paste, apply it to a clean face. I do wash my face beforehand, clean off all the dirt, and then we go in with the mask. Let's apply it nicely on the skin, avoiding the eye area. And once you have it all on, looking real cute, okay, leave it on 8 to 10 minutes max. Do not let the mask fully crack or dry hard. Did you hear what I said? Do not let it fully dry or until it's cracking. Okay, now we're going to rinse with lukewarm water and follow with a moisturizer. I am using my Winter Skin Defense Oil, but before I put it on, I am going to use a moisturizer today, and I'll have it listed below. Now, just to cover all the grounds, let's talk about how often to use this mask. This is very important. Clay mask should not be used daily. Bentonite clay is powerful and can over dry mature skin if overused. Best schedule for mature skin over 40, 1 time per week. That's safe and effective. If your skin is very congested, like clogged, up to 2 times per week maximum. Example, Monday and then on Friday. Okay? Now, if your skin is dry, sensitive, or winter flaky, this is it. Every 10 to 14 days or only as needed. Now that is a spread in between there if your skin is dry, sensitive, or winter flaky. Now, important clay mask rule. Always follow with a hydrating toner, serum, moisturizer, and definitely use SPF the next day. Babes, it don't get no better than that. Your girl is bringing you the gems, okay? I'm dropping these gems. I hope you're here for it. If you are, please let me know in the comments that you're here for it, that you're with me, and I do appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting on. I don't know, girl, because I am letting you know that you too can have the best skin ever right out of your kitchen. So go to that subscribe button, hit it right now, because you don't want to lose this chick. I'm saying that because some of y'all did lose me for a minute because you forgot the name. So remember the name, Sweet Angel. Remember Beauty by Sweet Angel. We are right here for you, babes. I will see y'all in the next one. Again, don't forget to like, drop me a comment down below. And if you have not subscribed, do that right now. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Just like that. We're out.
Like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide. Still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back round. Yeah, ooh, girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. Two queens in the mirror, lifting each other higher. Stay